You're fighting the current, man. Good job.
I'm winning.
Almost. You're stuck on a rock. There you go.
Well, now.
Mr. Morris.
Hi.
Good morning. Are you ready to rock and roll today?
Mm-hmm.
What are we doing right now?
I'm doing
Work on your... Do you remember what this truck's called?
TRX4 Sport.
That's right, a TRX4 Sport. What are we doing with this electrical tape and these tires right now?
Well, I'll show you.
Okay.
Do you see this tape?
There's tape on the inside there. This is one we did as an example, yes.
Yeah, but it's because those holes where the tape is.
Yes. And what happens? Can you demonstrate on your other tire what happens when there is no tape? I can hear a noise. What's that noise?
Well, if the air can get in, water can get in. But if you don't hear that noise,
We've sealed it.
That means can't get in.
We're going to seal up your tires and then we're going to go on a trail run, right?
Yep.
Bump it up. Boom! Man, where are we?
Fish Creek Poke.
That's right, we are at Fish Creek Park. And what is this, man? I thought you had a red Sport.
Well, it's my new one.
Your new one, it's a brand new body. Big thing of tires, yes, are off of my tactical unit. And we showed everyone that we sealed them up. And we want to say that you don't need to have a brand new RC. Sometimes a new body will make it look brand new, won't it? You ready to rock and roll?
Yep.
Which one's your favorite one, your red or blue one?
I don't know.
You like them both? Yeah, I like that, man. Depends on what you're doing, I guess, eh?
Yep.
First time on the Fish Creek Trail together. Morris, lead the way, buddy. Go ahead. Morris is riding in the blue TRX4 Sport. And of course, I'm driving in the jacked up Bronco.
It's kind of like a Slowpoke Dad video.
Dad takes the lead. Looking good in the sunlight. Can you smell the pine needles in the trees?
Kind of.
I love being out here. Nice looking trucks. Sorry, Slowpoke Dad holding you up again.
Get out of the way.
I'm trying.
You're kind of like a Slowpoke bad guy, and I'm the speeding police officer.
Wow, this is going to be a lot of belly drag. Watch this. Right over to the edge of the cliff, Morris. Turning into it. That's why. There we go. Right near the edge. What do you think? Don't worry, don't be afraid. Know where your feet are.
No, I'm just afraid that my favorite truck is going to go down into the river.
Well, I'll tell you what. You go over here. Well, it's a valid concern. Just go nice and slow. You should be able to do it. I'll spot you. Dad's hand's right here. Yeah, turn into it and start accelerating. Sharper turn. Oh, okay, now back up a little bit and turn. Here, I'll do it for you. I'll position you a little bit better, hey? Look at that. You're freaking out right on the edge. You got this, buddy.
No, it's just because I'm freaking out because I don't want this
You're not?
fall that I do.
You're not. Now here, try it again. Go straight forward. If you fall, Dad will go get it. Don't worry, just go slow and you can do this. Yep, go ahead. Woohoo!
Yes!
Knuckles! Good job. TTC training, man. Tough truck competition. Well, I see we finally made it. Are you going to take your truck into the water for the first time?
Yep.
Your first stream outing? Man, your TRX4 looks good. Here comes Dad's.
We need the wind.
I know. We finally were able to get into the water, hey? We've waited all winter. Pretty cool, dude. We're gonna have to put a snorkel on your truck, hey? Just so we don't get any water in your engine. Bonk. I hear an excited puppy right behind me. Hi, puppy. Are you protecting everyone? Hi, Simone. This is Morris's new friend we just met. RC brings so many people together. We're able to get outside and exercise. I'm going deep, Mo. I'm stuck on something.
Oh, Dad, look.
Uh-oh. Oh, rescue. Here, I'll rescue you. Oh, you rolled back. I bet you can drive out. Nice job. Power down, buddy. Power down. Get those wheels moving. Yeah, that's a strong little truck you got. 2S lipo power, pulling hard. What do you think, champion? You made it out of your first big emergency. Pretty good, huh?
Yep.
Thumbs up, pal.
Would you like to have a big high five? Yeah.
Nice job, RC Adventures.
Yep.
Next generation. You got it, buddy. Nice.
Two-cell badly. I know two-cell can make it.
Oh, your 2-cell can make it for sure.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, Simone.
Bye, Simone. We can't go down that way.
Yeah, let's go. Here, we can just walk down here. You just got to be careful. I'll help you if you need. You're smaller than I am.
It kind of looks like stairs.
Yeah, it does look like stairs. Approach it like stairs. Remember, you're a billy goat. You want my hand?
No.
I didn't think so. Like a boss. You're a billy goat. Bah. Your truck is much lighter than mine. You might do better with a straight approach. Mine has all the brass weight into it. Oh, there we go. Come down that same line I did. You should be okay.
No.
Oh, you're gonna.
Come on, let's go.
You're gonna go different. Oh, I gotta be careful, man. It's a steep fall here, and I got a very heavy truck. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, look at. You're wedged.
My body saved me.
Yeah, your bumper did. That's correct. Oh yeah.
I need some help getting out.
Yeah, you can just lift it up at the front and it'll unhook your rear end. There you go, pull. Good job, son.
Let's see if there's any dents. No dents.
No dents. Let's go down to the creek.
I would hate if there was a dent on my body.
Okay, so Morris and I off camera have now set up some pylons. We call them gates. These gates actually lead us through a small course along the rocks where we have to actually figure out where we're going out in the water and finish way down at that's right, at the waterfall. Here's the first set of pylons. Up and over, kind of having to straddle across. Beautiful. Good luck, sir. Good control, man. Great throttle control. On to the next one. It's going to be a little bit of a deeper pool. And around, doing a sharp turn. Got to do that sharp turn to get up onto the rock. Morris is stuck a little bit. Oh yeah! Good job. When in doubt, throttle out, buddy. Oh, touch the gate. Not good. Points against Dad. Can you give me a bump? Thank you, sir. One good. Oh, you got it. Keep going. Yeah, TRX4 Sport for the win, dude. And I'm stuck on the bumper right away.
What speed helps?
Throttle speed does help. It got me out this time, even though I burned the gate. I know.
I need to go get it.
I got it. You don't worry. You worry. I'll get this reset for you. Dun dun dun. There it is. Good luck. Let's see what you got. Morris clearly out driving Dad today. Back it up. Oh my gosh, look at that. You did it on your own. Say it loud and proud.
Well, you have to go through those 2 gates right there.
Over here in the water?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, a tough challenge.
Yeah, it is a tough challenge. That's okay though, that's the way I like it. The tougher the better. As long as you're enjoying it.
The easier it's not really better.
Well, it depends. As if it, you know, enjoy it at your own pace. Okay, I need a backup room. Hold on, give me a little bit of room there. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna have to launch a little bit off this rock. Oh, yes! Cannot believe I pulled that off. Completely lucked out. Oh, you went around the gate, sir. You're supposed to go through the middle of the gate. Don't be sorry. Hey, if you don't want to take the gate, no problem. Moving on. Blah, 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 blah.
So you have to go there next.
Where's the next one? Oh, man. Over there. Maybe you lead the way. You know where you're going. Morris for the win! Did not give up. Hit the pylon, but who cares? You still got through.
That way and then the finish line.
Isn't that the finish line there? I think that's the last one, dude. Way over there.
I'm gonna use the water.
Look at you.
I want to go to...
Hold on, wait up for Dad. I still gotta get through here. Come on, Pokey Dad.
What I did.
There we go.
Yes, you didn't even touch the bit.
Yeah, no pylons that round. I'm on your 6, man. Going through the waterfall. Right on, dude. You better start turning. Yeah, that light little truck making its way through. Dude, you killed it on the last one. Good job, celebrate, you did it. Yeah, nice job.
I have 200,000 cookies for this.
Yeah, 200,000 cookies for that win. I like that.
I know you can.
Thanks, buddy. It's not easy with one hand. One hand filming, one hand driving. It's the way I can use these great zooms and great camera I got. I got it. I'm getting there. Yeah, buddy. Just like that. Yeah. Well, what do you think? A little bit of dirt on your nose? Was it good?
Yep.
Did you have fun out on the trail?
Yes, I did.
Should everybody go out and try the hobby of RC?
Yep.
And what do we always say? Until the next time, bless you.
RC bless you.
Good enough for me, dude. Good job.